What is up guys, it's Sean here again. Today I'll be bringing you guys a small quick unboxing of the new Amazon Fire Stick Max. So this is the all new stick that Amazon came out with a couple months ago. So this is the second generation of the Amazon Fire Stick Max. So this has double the memory, it has 16 gigs of memory now, it has Wi-Fi 6E, and also the processor is 2 GHz now, so it's much faster than the previous Fire Stick. Let's go ahead and unbox this up. Alright guys, so here's the package that it was shipped in. Let's go ahead and open this up, see what we get inside. So here it is guys, the all new Fire Stick 4K Max from Amazon. So as you guys can see, it's 16 gigs, like I said, and Wi-Fi 6E. These are two of the biggest upgrades from the previous gen. And here are all the apps that you can download. On the side it says it has Alexa, of course, because it's Amazon device. Also it has 4K Ultra HD, high dynamic range, and like I said, it has quad-core 2.0 GHz. That's pretty cool. Dolby Atmos as well. Yeah, let's go ahead and open this box up. So here's a seal. Okay. Pull this up. So we have everything nicely presented in this little box. So here is the remote itself. Let's get it out of this plastic. Let's see how it looks. That wasn't easy opening this. Alright. Okay, why is it all sticky? Wow. I don't know why they would tape the controller. Alright, so here's the controller. Pretty nice, huh? Basic Amazon Fire TV controller. So yeah, it has Prime Video button, Netflix, DirecTV. Let's see what else we get. So here's the cable to power up the Fire Stick. So it's not a USB-C, it's the old micro USB. I was hoping that they would include a USB-C, but it's alright, like the Google Chromecast does. Here's the HDMI cable to plug the Fire Stick into your TV. Here is the Fire Stick itself, all packed up in this plastic wrap. Let's get it out of this. Okay, so here it is guys, the Fire Stick. I know a lot of people don't know, but you have to power up the Fire Stick through a power outlet, through a power adapter. It just doesn't turn on itself if you plug it in the TV. Right. Let's see what else we get in the box. So here's a user guide. How to run your Amazon Fire Stick for the first time. I'm guessing there's something else in there as well. Yeah, there's a small box right here. I didn't see it. Oh, thank God they included a power adapter. I wasn't expecting that. Especially nowadays, they don't include power adapter with anything. So that's a really good thing that they included this adapter. Nice. And they also included some batteries for the remote. So you pretty much have everything that you need to get this stick running out of the box. And yeah, that's about it. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for the Fire TV Stick 4K Max by Amazon. I hope you liked this video, and if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.